Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Maybe you are not using Feedly as much as you thought. Maybe you want to switch from Pro Plus to the standard Pro plan, or maybe you just want to go back to the free basic plan. Whatever the reason is, canceling or downgrading your Feedly subscription is straightforward. According to Feedly's official documentation, you can manage everything from your billing page. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go straight to it. We're gonna go and talk about how to cancel or downgrade your Feedly plan. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first thing first, go to the billing page. You have to log into Feedly on the web for that. So try to go directly to feedly.com. Look for the account/billing. Then click on your profile, settings, look for billing. Then cancel your subscription. On the billing page, find your active subscription. Click cancel or cancel subscription, then confirm your choice. About the refund policy, if you have been charged for renewal or for the first year in the past 5 days, you will get the option to refund yourself automatically. Now you have also to understand what happens after canceling. So after canceling, you will be moved to the Feedly Basic or Free plan. This includes 3 feeds, 3 boards, 100 sources. As an important note, before canceling, please remove any above the limit sources, feeds and boards, otherwise Feedly may randomly remove extra items for you. So, try also to downgrade from Pro Plus to Pro. First, cancel your Pro Plus subscription uses basically the same steps. You can easily access it from here also. Upgrade and you will be able to see Pro Plus Pro cancel anytime, and that's crucial. And that's it basically, so just do that. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.